Hey guys! Start over. Hey guys, my name is Jordan if you're new here, aka Juices and Berries, where I talk about natural hair and health and wellness and self-care.
Hey everyone, I'm Camila. I'm a wellness coach and also a personal chef. And in this video, we're going to show you 3 super simple and easy one-pot meals.
Yes.
Takes very little time and very little cleanup, which is great if you have a busy lifestyle. So we did chana masala, like a simplified version. We did kung pao broccoli.
Yeah.
And we did a cheesy sweet potato skillet that kind of tastes like enchiladas.
Just like enchiladas. You guys are gonna love these recipes. And if you do, follow me at Juices and Berries on Instagram and at Camila Creates on Instagram. We're gonna show you at the end of this video if you guys really like these recipes, how you can get them in a downloadable ebook. So make sure you stay tuned for that. like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up. And can you let us know in the comments below exactly which recipe was your favorite? And all of the recipes are in our completely free ebook that is available for download. The link is in the description box.
And speaking of free, if you want to book a health coaching session with me, or you're interested in meal prep or personal chefing, you can email me at glow@thevibrancycollective.com. Your first session, well, your consultation is free with me, so hit me up.
She's Seth Rogen's chef, by the way. Alright, you guys, thanks for watching the video. We'll catch you in the next one.
Thank you.
Bye.